In order to see if the fabric in your project is available to purchase through Quiltster.com, you can open your yardage chart and you will have inventory notifications. Here is the key at the top. If you can purchase it, it will have a green shopping cart next to it indicating that that fabric is purchasable through Quiltster.com and will be added to your cart when you're ready to check out. If it is not purchasable, meaning it is not for sale through Quiltster.com, it will have a not purchasable black shopping cart with an X in it, such as this fabric here, but this one is from my personal fabric, so I already know that. But that just means that no matter what, it's just not for sale at Quiltster.com. Low inventory just means if there is a fabric such as this one that is low on inventory, if you'd like to purchase it, you may do so. Just do it soon because we are running out. And out of stock just means it is for sale through Quiltster.com, but we no longer have it available for purchase. It is sold out. The last item is a yellow triangle with an exclamation point in it that says inventory does not meet requirements, meaning we have the inventory, but there's not enough to meet the needs of the project that you have created. So it would be a good idea to swap that out for a different one. If you click, and this is in the Buy Fabric view, so make sure you're in Buy Fabric to see the accurate inventory notifications. If you go to Buy Block or Buy Group, there are some indicators showing you what is available for purchase, but it does not have every single indicator on there. It just tells you what you can buy, basically. So if you need to know what's for sale from your project as far as fabric goes, check Buy Fabric on the yardage chart and you can easily see that here. So all of these are fine. I would swap out, nope, that one's in your fabric, so you're probably good there. The only fabric that you will need to swap out if you're looking to purchase your project is anything marked with out of stock or inventory does not meet requirements or not purchasable. These three mean that you cannot buy them in Quiltster.com or there's not enough. Purchasable and low inventory means you can purchase through Quiltster.com, and I will connect a blog post outlining each of those descriptions. If you have any questions, email us at info@Quiltster.com. And remember, every quilt tells a story. The best ones begin with Quiltster. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.